So there are always two things to consider when you're renovating a rental property. The first one is how durable the renovation is going to be, but also how cost effective the renovation is actually going to be. So in this particular bedroom, the floors are currently carpeted, as you can see, and we're going to be changing them to tiled floors. The color looks amazing with the wall color. I initially wanted to do laminated flooring, but of course there are certain considerations that I had to take into mind when I was choosing which floor to do. And of course, one of them is around the durability of a laminated floor. And instead I've opted for tiling this particular apartment and this bedroom, and really looking forward to how it's going to look like once the project is done. I popped into my local builders to check out their latest tiles, and I must say, I was quite impressed by the wide variety on offer. I'm so glad I decided to remove the carpet and put in the tiles. It looks beautiful. Get to builders, get it done.